Surbhi, let's talk about Glenmark Pharma and Piramal Pharma. Both of them are buzzing in trade. In fact, Piramal Pharma has seen a big up move on very large volumes. Ekta is here to fill us in on the news flow. Ekta.
Thanks for that. Well, I'll start with Glenmark because that stock is in focus on the back of a bit of news. So Zetia is basically a drug which is used for the treatment of cholesterol. And what has taken place is that in a pending antitrust and consumer protection litigation in the US on Zetia generic, Glenmark was named as a defendant. So what has taken place is that the company has agreed to enter a settlement with a group, with a party which was litigating against Glenmark on Zetia generic. As per the settlement, the company is going to pay $48 million to Direct Purchasers, which is basically the group which is a part of this litigation, based on the agreement entered. The trial, remember, for this case was scheduled to begin on April 19th in the US courts. Now, just to give you a bit of a background as well, there have been multiple lawsuits in the US in connection with generic Zetia all the way since 2010. Lawsuits allege that the company had entered into an anti-competitive agreement. So there was a pending lawsuit with regards to Zetia generic, which is now settled, and the company is going to be paying $48 million in terms of the settlement. It does come as a positive because there's an overhang which is out of the way, and this is a generally a normal course of business for most pharma companies. Remember, the amount which we've spoken of is not that large in terms of a sum, so hence maybe the street has brushed it off. Glenmark is anyway close to a 52-week high. Piramal Pharma